health enthusiasts and good food lovers. Welcome to Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efres, and today we have a spectacular episode for you. We'll be making a second variation of the super healthy, super nutritious, and super tasty a grated carrot salad with garlic, and this time we'll use mayonnaise. Yes, your favorite mayonnaise instead of olive oil. And olive oil recipe you can find here and in the description below. And to get healthy and happier, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And without further ado, let's get started. I went to the farmer's market this morning and found these amazing carrots. These are organic, and we'll be using them today to prepare the salad. For the salad, we'll be needing 2 medium carrots. Even though the carrots are organic, I still like to wash them very thoroughly. And for that, I'm going to put some filtered water in the bowl, add some baking soda, and leave my carrots to soak in this solution for about 10 minutes. I'm using my favorite vegetable peeler. So now when our carrots are clean, let's go ahead and grate them. For this recipe, unlike my other carrot salad recipe, I like to grate these carrots finer. And I'm using one of my favorite graters for lemon zest or cheese to grate these carrots. Because this salad we'll be making that should look like a pate. Alternatively, you can always use a food processor or any other fine grater that you have in your house. So now when our carrots are grated, and I love their coral color, I can't get enough of it, we'll add other ingredients. On the farmer's market, I also bought this fantastic garlic, and we'll be adding about 1 clove. And here I have 3 cloves pre-minced, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon worth of garlic. And if you are new to raw garlic, please start with a very small amount and then increase. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it's extremely good for you. So we're going to need a pinch of salt to taste. And I'm using sea salt, Sicilian sea salt, to add some fantastic electrolytes to my food. And then, of course, freshly ground black pepper to drive all these amazing nutrients into your body. And if you're familiar with my channel, all my videos are using real ingredients, real food. And I use food as medicine, because why would I put something artificial and harmful for me in my body when I can use these Mother's Nature fresh organic ingredients to provide all the necessary nutrients to my body to function properly and to be in homeostasis, which is balance. And when your body is in balance, all systems work properly, and hence you don't feel sick and you don't need medicine. So this is my medicine. And I'm sharing these recipes with you so you also can feel healthy and happy. Another fantastic super healthy ingredient I'm adding to this salad are raw walnuts, and these I bought at Trader Joe's. They are pieces, so they are less expensive, but they also are unsalted and unroasted, which is fresh with all nutrients intact. We'll be eating 3 tablespoons of raw walnuts to our salad. And walnuts is a fantastic healthy fat. So it usually when you add walnuts to any dish that has a little bit higher glycemic index, it lowers glycemic index of this food. And finally, we're adding about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And of course, opt for organic mayonnaise. And main ingredients in mayo are eggs, non-inflammatory oil like olive oil or avocado oil, and vinegar. And these are about all the ingredients that should be in mayonnaise. You can also make your own, which would be a fantastic healthy option, because you know what you put in there. You know what ingredients are in this mayonnaise. But there are some also healthy options on the market. And mayonnaise should not have dairy or whey. So it's also a very good condiment for you if you are lactose intolerant. I think I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of mayonnaise to the salad, so it's a little creamier. All right, you see how it's all coming together. and I anticipate the amazing, decadent, fantastic taste of the salad, and I'm already loving the color of it. So I'm up for a real treat, and so are you. Because the salad has a slightly sweet taste, it will satisfy your sweet tooth in the afternoon instead of refined carbohydrates and sugars. So to make this dish even more nutritious and delicious, I'm going to use these Nature's chips. It's a Belgium endive as to eat carrot salad. What an amazing idea. They have slightly bitter taste, and the bitter compounds in endive support liver detox. So we're stacking our nutrition benefits from this meal to detox our liver, to add fiber to our body, to stop inflammation with the garlic, and also to lower our glycemic index and to normalize our hormones, because carrot is the vegetable that raises progesterone and garlic is the herb that raises estrogens. And if you haven't included endive in your diet before, this is how it looks whole, and I of course washed it and cut out the bottom part, and now I'm separating endive bulb into these fantastic Nature's chips. They are crunchy, and as I've already mentioned, they help to detox the liver. Okay, it's time to try it. Oh my god, I can't wait. I love this salad, and this is how you eat it. You put a little bit on your Nature's chip, and then you put it in your mouth. This is amazing. All flavors just came together into this fantastic, creamy, just a little bit sweet, but also savory vegetable pate. And on the endive chip, it's such a treat. Enjoy. I'm so glad you were able to join me today. And if you find the content useful, please like the video, comment. I would like to hear from you. Make this wonderful salad and tell me how it went, and if you liked and your guest liked it. And most importantly, stay healthy and happy. I'm Asi Afras. Thank you so much for watching.